Next writing task, let's take a look. All right, so everyone is Chris Wong, and you are the class teacher of 4A. Okay, so you will be taking your class to a school trip. Okay, where is to Sky 100, and where is Sky 100? It's here. Okay, so now actually they kind of expected you to know what ICC is. Okay, they kind of expect you to understand where this is. All right, so and I guess as students in Hong Kong, all right, knowing the tallest building in the city is common sense, right? Yeah, right. Okay. All right. So, but what is the full name of ICC? Okay, ICAC. No. No IC. Okay. I stand for international. Okay, I stand for international.
I know the last
All right.
name is Santa.
Yeah. Okay, Santa. Yes.
I don't know.
Yes. Then what's in the middle? What's the second C? Is commerce. Okay, International Commerce Center. Okay, commerce is another word for business.
IBC.
Okay, converse is only another word for business. Okay, so ICC. All right, they kind of call it ICC because there's an IFC in Central. Yeah, right. They cannot use the same name again and again. Actually, there's already IFC 1 and IFC 2 in Central. All right, then they have to use some other names. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. Okay, so ICC is International Commerce Center. So you as a class teacher, you are taking your class, okay, to Sky 100. Okay, so it's on the 104th floor. Okay. All right, and then it's in this building. So now what do you need to write? Okay, so you need to write a parent notice actually. Okay, you need to write a parent notice to tell the parents that we are going to have a trip like this. So please, first of all, I think you need to ask them for the money. Okay, all right, you need to ask them for the money. And then you also need to tell them the details of the activities, right? Okay, so you also have a mind map here to think about what to write. So first of all, I think you need to group them together, okay? Group them together, which is the most important part that you should write first. If you look at these 4 points. Is it this one? Yes, okay. So this, I think, will be it itself, okay, can be one big paragraph. Okay, tell the parents why we want to go to Sky 100. Okay, so why we want to go to Sky 100? To look at the best views in Hong Kong, right? Okay, and then this, and this. All right, we can put these three together in the third paragraph, right? In the third paragraph. Okay. So are we going to have lunch together? Okay, I don't know. All right, how are we going to get there? From the school, we hire a coach, or we go there by ourselves. We gather at Kowloon Station, okay, at the shopping mall Elements, right? Okay, we gather there and then we go to the Sky 100. Okay, it's up to you to decide. And how much is it? Now, is it only 150? How about the coach? Okay, if we all go from school, okay, we hire a coach, we hire a bus, right? Okay, then how about that? Okay, yes, the school will pay. Okay, so it's free for students, for example. Okay, now there are some tables for you to fill in. Okay, so turn to the next page, please. Okay, so yes, these are the same old things. Okay, the raft table. All right, I don't really think it's semi-formal. Okay, we better. We better, yes, sorry. Not 6, it's 4. Okay. So Chris Wong, class teacher of 4A, parents of the 4A students. Okay, it's a letter, or you can say it's a parent notice. Okay, it's a parent notice. All right, it's not exactly semi-formal. Yeah, it should be formal, like all the parent notice you receive from the principal, from the school office. All right, they use very standardized Chinese writing, right? Okay, they have a heading, they have a standard closing. Okay, so in English it's something like that, right? And then the purpose of writing, you have to notify. Okay, it's another word, it's a difficult word of tell. Okay, you have to tell the parents about the school trip. And most importantly, you have to ask for their, you have to ask for their permission. Right? Now the verb is permit. Okay, the noun is permission. Okay, this is the noun. Okay. So altogether, two main objectives. Right. First, you have to tell the parents about the details of the trip. So why are we going there? How do we go there? How much will it cost? Okay, let's move on. Now, altogether, there should be something like 4 paragraphs. Okay, there should be something like 4 paragraphs. So, in the first paragraph is a very short introduction. Okay, telling the parents that we will have a school trip like this. Okay, and then the second paragraph. Okay. All right, so the second paragraph, you briefly talk about the background. Okay, now you don't really need to give a lot of background information about ICC. All right, you only need to tell the parents that ICC is one of the skyscraper in Hong Kong, right? It's one of the important buildings in Hong Kong. All right, then you should briefly talk about the details of the trip, right? So like when, okay? And how about how long? Now the opening time, on first page you see the opening time is from 10 to 9. But are you going to stay on the 100th floor for 11 hours?
Why not?
Really? Okay. All right, so how long are you going to stay there? Okay, I would suggest like something like 2 hours, right? Okay, so before lunch you will dismiss, right? So this will be the most challenging parts. Okay, this will be the most challenging part. The purpose of the visit. Okay, the purpose of the visit. So, why do we want to go there? Think about this. Why do we want to go there? Okay, now don't just tell me to enjoy the view. All right, you need to think of something more meaningful. All right, for example, to understand the development of Hong Kong, right? Okay, we can see different style and different skyscrapers in different time. Okay. Yeah, when I was a kid, okay, the tallest building was in Wan Chai. It's a circular building. It's round. There's a rotating restaurant on top. I'm not sure if you know that. Yeah, that was the tallest one. And then from time to time they build something higher and higher and higher, right? Okay, so think about the purpose. And paragraph number 3 is easy. Okay, you only need to tell people the arrangement. That means when do we need to go to school? Okay, at what time the students will be dismissed, and where, okay, are we coming back to school, or we will be dismissed at the shopping mall elements. Okay, think about all these. All right.